Hi, my name is Greg, and I'm working here with Greenblade Landscaping. Started 32 years ago, and we do landscape construction, landscape maintenance, and we have a tree farm. When it comes to landscape construction, our first step always is the site plan. We have to look at what kind of maintenance is going to be done on the property to see how extensive a landscape we can actually put in. Then we start to figure out step 2, where does the water go? If you solve that one right away, then that's going to eliminate the bulk of problems when it comes to landscape jobs. Downtime is, we talk about it all the time, you have to have backup. And we have found PrairieCoast understands our situation. If his tractor broke down or an implement broke and they couldn't get the parts and get us going right away, then they've always backed it up with a loan of a piece of equipment. So it's nice to have a dealer that understands that and will be there. So that helps us up as part of our backup plan. Step 3 when it comes to doing a landscape job is make sure you build something that's appropriate for the client. You want to make sure the trees have room to grow and are planted in the right spot. Step 4, that's where we stake out the trees and let the customers look at it for a while and check out those, if that's the view. It helps to visualize. Step 5 is to make sure the supervisors really know at that time what to do. And then we're ready to start bringing in materials and actually start getting the work done. And once we've got our soil and grading done, then step 7 is when we come to do the planting. Sod is step 8, lay the sod. Step 9 is to make sure the customer understands how to look after everything you've just completed for them. We really want to make sure that the landscape we just installed is successful, not just in the short term. We want it to be successful in the long term. And then after 32 years of business, we've got lots of happy customers that keep sending business their way.